Welcome back, everyone. How you guys doing? Hope you are fine. How is your weekend? So we are making this fabric with basket waistline skirt with gathers, and that's what we are using it for. So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and also comment. So let's get started now. So what I will do now, I already folded it in one piece, so I will fold it again like this. That is to get our zipper side of our skirt. So this is my zipper side that I want to use now, and what we have here is 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches now. So I've done that. So now go ahead now to mark from my waist. The upper side now is the waist side of it now, and before then, let me rule it for us to use the upper side as the waistline. So this is the plain part. So I will start my measurement from this beginning side, placing my tape like this, and to mark, I'm marking 10 inches, 10 inches. So that's my 10 inches there now. So I've done that. So now from here now is the waistline. While to this place that I marked 10 inches is the hip length line. So I'll go ahead now to measure my waist. My waist is 28 inches divided by 4. That will give us 7 inches on our tape, and that's what I marked there. Adding my sewing allowance by 1.5 inches. So down to the hip length line, my hip is 38 inches. 38 inches divided by 4, that will give us 9.5. So that's my 9.5, adding my sewing allowance by 1 inch. So I've done that. So now is to connect it together, the marks together from my waist to my hip. I'll connect it like this. So that is it. So after that now, since it's a basket waistline, let me cut this side out first before we cut our shape of our basket waistline. So then I'm cutting like this. So I'm cutting it out. I'm cutting like this. So that is for the measurement. So I'm also cutting it like this. So can you see how it is now? And this is our zipper side. So let me trim it well. So done that now. So now to get our basket effect, so I'm going to place my tape like this. 4.5 inches is what I'm marking here, and then using my ruler to give it that V shape. So that is it. So we've done that. So I will cut. So I'm cutting from the edge like this. So what are we doing? We are getting our basket effect waistline. So this is it now. So let me spread it and let me pull out this, like the back side, and spread the front side of it and show you how it is. So can you see the way it is now? So this is the V shape basket effect. So now the next step now is to cut the gathers. Our fabric that we will use to extend our skirt basket waistline. So I will go ahead now to measure the length that we are going to use. This is our length, 24 inches is what it is. So please, I just want to chip in this word that the upper side that we just cut earlier, if you are making it, if it's a practical fabric that stretches, you can minimize the measurement. Assuming the waist that we use now is 28, you can use it as 26 so that it will hold. You understand? Because it's stretchy. So I just want to explain that for you if you are using those kind of material. So now our length is 24, and what I'm using to gather it is 2 inches. It's 2 inches that I'm using to gather this downside of it, that we have our gathers. So let me take it to the machine now to go and stitch, so that we'll now come and pull the gathers. I'm going to run my straight line and to drag it now is what we are going to do now. So this is the way I'm dragging the gathers, and then it will form what we want here. Remember, we are doing basket effect waistline with gather skirts. So it's the gather now that we are drawing now. So you gently draw the thread so that it will not cut. Just gently, you can see the way I'm doing it, so that it will form what we need. So please subscribe, watch the video down to the end, and also share it for others to see. Please do that if you are not done that. So I will also turn it the other way around to drag the other side of it. So just gently and pull it. So this is how to drag it. So what I will do now, I will show you how to fix it also now. I'm going to run the two sides of it now. So just for me to take it to the machine and stitch to the gathers. So this is our final look of our basket effect waist skirt with gathers. As you can see, it's 2 yards that we use and make it to achieve this style. So please subscribe and watch this video down to the end. Share and comment. And if you don't understand, you can also watch it again. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.